Here I have LG key 820018, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset by using the secret code. Before you use the secret code, you need to check out your model number. So let's choose settings, tab general, choose here about phone, select common, and choose here hardware info. You need to remember now the numbers from the model number. So in my case it's LG M200E, so I need to remember 200. Now let's open the phone styler and let's use the secret code *pound 546368 pound *. Now the numbers from the model 200 pound, and now you can use the following test. This is the main menu of the hidden mode. Let's use here service menu and select here factory reset. Tap factory reset again. As you can see, this will format phone and SD card, erasing all your data and application. If you are aware of this, let's tap OK. So this will erase all internal and external storage. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means the hard reset is done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.